Hey guys, do you ever have days where it's just really rainy like today? Or you're just really bored in the house and you're stuck and you have nothing to do? Well, I might have a couple solutions for that. You could have some soup. You could have some coffee. You're gonna even read a good book. Or you could dress up in costume. Or better yet, you could even have a dance party for yourself.
You crazy mother.
Whatever you do, guys, have fun with it. I hope you enjoyed me goofing off and making a complete idiot out of myself, because that's what I specialize in anyway. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought of the video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great, blessed day.